Welcome back. Children's park opposite the MPT Quarters in Sada has been neglected. The visitors complain that sewer water overflowing from the MPT Quarters has stagnated outside the park, giving a foul smell. People inform that despite several complaints, no action has been initiated by the authorities.
This children's park opposite to MPT Quarters has been stinking for the past 15 days. This park has been regularly visited not only by children but by the people of different ages. The sewage water of the MPT Quarters located closely has been overflowing to the park. The overflowing sewage water gets accumulated near the park. For days this menace has been neglected by the authorities despite of several complaints.
आपके गाड़ी के सामने वहाँ पे पानी जो है बाजू में वो कौन सा पानी है, क्या पानी है सर?
वो टॉयलेट का पानी है सर।
कहाँ से आता है?
अभी वो अंदर से आ रहा है।
अंदर से आता है। कितना दिन हो गया आ रहा है?
ये 15-20 दिन हो गए सर।
The residents and visitors complain of foul smell. People also fear that this sewage water can enter the park if it is neglected further. Sada resident Uddhav Paul said that the sewer water is stagnant and the whole area has become a breeding ground for mosquitoes.
चिल्ड्रन्स पार्क हा आणि ह्या दिसान गरमायचे दीस सुट्टी पडल्या स्कॉलाक आणि सगळे भुरगे हांगासर फॅमिली आपली हांगासर बरे वाऱ्याक अशें येता ह्या चिल्ड्रन्स पार्काक आणि हांगासर हे एमपीटीचे जे गटर फुटलेले आहा आणि जे अशें येयला घाण हेतून वास येता सगळें कितें जे हांव रिक्वेस्ट एकूच करूंक सोदता की तेंच्यांनी हे बेगींतल्या बेगीन रिपेर करून हेजी सोय करची लोकां खातीर जे करून लोकांक त्रास जावचो ना ह्यो.
हांगसर तेच्या कुशीकूच हांगसर भेलपुरीचे आनी बाकीचे ज्यूस सेंटर बीन गाडे आसा तेजे तूं कितें सांगूंक सोदता तेवूय बीन घाण हे
एक्झॅक्ट तेज्या ती मुस्का ते घाणीतली मुस्का ते मच्छर फ्लायज हे ते सगळे यांच्या ते खाद्य पदार्थांच्या बसून घेणाऱ्यांक तेजो त्रास जावंक शकता.
A reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
The cashew production could be 40% less compared to last year. Adverse climatic conditions like prolonged rain has affected flowering of the fruit. According to government estimates, the production can only be 60% of last year's figure of 20,000 tons.
Officials in the Agriculture Department estimate that the cashew production could be 60% of last year's production. Goa export nearly 500 to 600 tons of cashew to countries like USA, Japan and other European countries. The crop is mostly cultivated in places like Bicholi, Sangay, Valpoi, Ponda and Kankon.
काजू प्रोडक्शन न्हू पोरूचे परस कमी आसा. पोरू आमी 20,000 टन सुमार एक्सपेक्ट करताले म्हणजे एप्रॉक्सिमेट प्रोडक्शन मेळिल्लें न्हू ताचे परस जवळ जवळ 60% सुमार 60% सुमार प्रोडक्शन न्हू आसतलें अशें दिसता म्हाका. कारण अरायवल्स जशी मार्केटाक येवपा जाय तितके प्रमाणांत अरायवल्स येवना. पूण तरी सुद्दां थोडे भागांनी अंदू प्रोडक्शन नॉर्मल आसा. पोरू आशिल्लें तशेंच अंदू आसा, व्हडलोसो फरक पडना.
Adverse climatic condition has affected the production of cashew in the state.
काजूची हे उत्पन्न मातशें कमी जाला. ताजे नंतर तरी सुद्दां थोडे जाग्यांनी परत सेकंड फ्लश दुसऱ्या फुलांचो आनी एक हे आयलो आनी ताका लागून त्या भागांत तांकां उत्पन्न नॉर्मल चड करून येतलें.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Devendra Kaukar.
Women's Empowerment Center has been inaugurated in Sada, Vasco. This center aims at empowering and bringing up women. Women will be taught different skills which will help them to be self-entrepreneurs.
V Center का मतलब क्या है? So V Center means victory. V का विजय है, V for हम सब साथ साथ हैं. V का अर्थ है Women Empowerment, नारी शक्ति. यहाँ पर उपस्थित हर नारी में ये शक्ति है. आप सब में टैलेंट्स है, हर स्त्री में कौशल्य है. हम सिर्फ आपकी कुशलता को नाम दे रहे हैं, एक प्लेटफॉर्म दे रहे हैं.
Women will bring out their creativity at this center and display it on a bigger platform.
If you really do well, we can find more and more market. Some of you might find, because normally when you work the district, as a district collectors and secretaries, the biggest problem is to market a thing. We are not able to market it. Difficult to find a market. But here is an agency, MPT, which can help you in marketing things. We can try to market it.
Our reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Now, don't worry if you have missed this bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in. You can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.